Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here to do an estimate to get the windows washed inside and out, clean up the sidewalk and the back deck there. Camera around, we'll talk a little bit about our process and how we go about doing things. So the siding here, from the ground, we're going to apply a gentle detergent, and that will actually start to turn all this mold and algae a different color. And then from there, we will wash it with no more pressure than you would with a garden hose. So after all that algae is broken down, we'll go ahead and give it a good rinse, and it'll disappear. No high pressure. All that on the chimney is going to be taken care of. And get these windows cleaned inside and out. So what's making the window cleaning price a little bit more expensive than usual is these basement windows here. Those are kind of a pain to work with. We can just get the glass cleaned. I know that you're trying to sell the house, get ready to sell it, put it on the market. So in the past, a lot of the real estate agents that we work with will sell us to maybe just put the screens in the back corner of the basement or the garage somewhere, out of sight, out of mind. And when people are touring the home, they're looking out nice, fresh, really good, clean windows, not screens, even though they're perfectly clean. It gives them of what they're looking at and what they're buying. This is what they're buying. So with the deck back here, there's a lot of ways that you can mess this deck up. And one of them is by using high pressure. So our algicide cleaner, way stronger than what we would use on your siding, a different mix, is going to break down all that algae and mildew deep in the pores of your deck, and it'll restore this without having to damage the coloring in the pigment of the wood. Oftentimes, if you power wash too much, you'll see more of these white spots in the deck. Trust me, I've done it. And sometimes you just can't get it clean, and you just think that if you use more and more high pressure, it'll get it clean, but it's not. It's all about the chemical. The chemical does the work deep in the pores. So one thing I thought I would mention is that we do have some debris on the roof. The gutter covers are probably doing their job, but we might want to get that removed. And we also might want to look into getting this chimney cap replaced. Over time, what's going to happen here real soon, if it hasn't already started, is you're going to get some nasty rust stains on your siding. And really, to fix that is just to replace that cap and go from there. So my name is Eddie, operator of Multi-Man Services, and we look forward to helping you get this place on the market. Any questions you have, don't hesitate to reach out to me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Take care. Thank you.